Go to jail.
Hello.
Welcome to Caught in Chaos, the #1 place to find viral clips of chaos caught on Earth. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.
Hello, how you doing? I'm Sergeant Cartwright, Bentleyville Police. The reason I'm stopping you is your tags are expired on this vehicle.
I'm working on it.
Okay, do you have a driver's license, proof insurance?
No.
You don't have a driver's license or insurance on you?
No.
Okay. Are you the registered owner?
045 or 044.
You are. You do own it
Are
too?
we really doing this again?
Why
do this again? I
What
just
you-
got a job, dude. I'm just beginning to make money.
What's your social?
Can I leave?
No, what's your social?
I guess I won't go to work tomorrow.
What's your social?
Is that the case?
Are you gonna give me your social or not?
Can you answer the question?
What's that? What's your
Am I
question?
going to work tomorrow?
That's up to you. I don't know. What's your social?
You're harassing me.
What's your social?
You chose to harass me.
What's your social?
You chose
What's your
to.
name?
Nice
What's your first
day. I'm
name?
having a nice day. Just leave.
Okay. What's your name?
I'm nameless. I'm an illegal immigrant in this country.
Okay. Last name is Tish, right?
No. You don't know me, remember?
Oh, I don't remember. I just can't remember your name exactly. Alright, hold still. Have you step out of the vehicle for me, okay?
Why, dude?
Because vehicle's got to get towed. You're suspended. You have a warrant out of the Metro Parks.
You're a monster.
No, call me what you will, alright? But still, you can't drive.
Can you
Suspended.
absorb that? Can you absorb that instead of being like, oh,
No, it's absorbed, alright? So we're going to have you step out for me, alright? Is there anything you need in the vehicle?
I need the vehicle itself.
Well, you can get that out once it becomes valid. Alright?
I don't even have
You're not
the
the
money to
registered
do
owner.
that, bro.
You're not the why? Let me ask you something. Why are you driving then? You're not driving to work. You're driving
Because I
to
have
the
a
park.
life!
Calm down.
I have a life.
All right?
Leave me alone. Leave me
Well-
alone. I have hobbies. I have people I like to
Okay.
see.
Well, other people have to register a vehicle. Why makes you different than anybody else? Why? Why are you special and everybody else has to obey rules?
It's
Can you
not
tell
about-
me that?
It's not about the rules.
What is it about then?
It's about the rules being wrong.
Okay. Well, don't take that up with me. You take that up with your legislature. Call the governor for all I care. I don't make the
All
rules.
you care.
Okay.
Can I go? I
No.
want to be left alone.
You have to
I wanna
step
be
out of the
left alone.
vehicle.
Dude,
Listen, you got to step out of the vehicle. Okay.
I'm not accepting
And I have to explain
that
this.
as an offer.
Well, I don't know what else to tell you. That's the only offer you're getting today. All right?
No, I'm a human and I can be left alone.
Listen. All right? We went through this before. You and Norm numerous times. You can't drive. You're suspended.
Your mom can't drive. She's suspended, bro.
And again, okay, that's not my problem. That's your problem.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive of that. All right?
Your mom can't drive, she's suspended, bro, might be the worst comeback of the 2020s thus far. As you can imagine, things only went south from there. Addison refused to comply and continued on his tirade about how the rules don't apply to him. Then they tried to take him out of the car, and Addison put up a fight.
All right, so we're going to have to step out of the car for me, all right?
Bro, I want you to drag me out of the car.
We're not going to drag you out of the car because then you're going to have to go to
I'm
jail.
gonna sit here.
You're going to go to jail, all right? Don't do that. Don't do that. You're just compounding your issues.
Do you have a life?
Okay? No, I don't. Apparently I don't. Okay?
Are
You're going to have to go to
I'm
jail.
gonna sit here.
You're going to go to jail. All right? Don't do that. Don't do that. You're just compounding your issues.
Do you have a life?
Okay? No, I don't. Apparently I don't. Okay?
Are you sure?
I'm sure of that.
You know
Okay?
the things you do?
No.
Family? People you see? People you know? People
Got
you didn't
nobody.
know?
It's just me by myself.
Why don't you call a friend or a family member right now to come pick you up, and then we can all.
I can even give you a courtesy ride back up to your mom's.
Yeah, that'd be lovely.
Well, we're doing the best we can here, okay?
The best you can do is not enough.
Well, and what your best you could do is just let you drive away and just never to bother you.
Yes.
Just free to go, do whatever you want, right?
That would be nice.
It doesn't work that way, Addison, all right? So, don't
Man, these are my
let go of my...
These are my possessions.
You're about to go to
dude.
jail.
These are my
You want to go to
possessions.
jail? Do you want to go to jail? I'm asking you. Do you want to go to jail? Right now. Either step out the car now.
What's the option, bro? What's the other option?
The option is getting out of the car and you go home. Or
I don't live in Solon.
you can. I don't care where you live.
Drop me
Call a
off at my
buddy.
mom's
Call a
house
friend.
2 a.m., dude.
Okay, well, get your mom here. I'll even drive you to your mom's. You can arrange a run.
You're in the wrong
All right,
here.
step out the car. Are you going to get out the car?
Pull me out of the car.
Are you going to get out of the
Pull
car?
me out of the car,
All right,
dude.
come on.
Pull me out.
All right.
Pull me out, bro.
Radio 24/7.
Push me out. Pull me
You're
out.
going to get tased.
Ooh.
You're going to go to jail. Stop it. You understand me?
This is your only
What did I
option.
do to you guys?
Dude, I'm giving you one last warning,
What did I do to
Addison.
you guys?
Addison, step
Listen,
out of the
listen.
car. Stop acting like a child. Get out of the car.
You're being a child.
Okay? Get out of the car. I'll explain the citation and your options once you get out of the car.
Nice
Step out of the car.
wristband, bro. Nice
Look,
elbow
either
grab, bro.
Stop
Listen,
out
either
of the
you
car.
Get out of the car with us, or we have to take you to jail.
Right.
We don't
I don't
wanna
want to take you to jail.
So the other option is my car is gone.
It's towed, and you get it later.
Right.
I don't get it later.
You can get it later when it gets towed.
No,
But
I can't.
It's either that or you get arrested right now. And we do not want to arrest you right now. We're
Don't want to
trying
arrest you,
So
Addison.
what's the alternative?
Well, come on out the car so we could talk
That
about
is
the
the
alternatives.
That's not the So
All
you're
right.
towing my car.
Your car's going to be towed, yeah.
Wrong.
Right,
Whether
it's
you're
going to be
arrested
towed.
Or not, your car's getting towed.
Step out of the car, Addison. Step out of the car.
Police are messed up.
Dude, listen, believe me when I say we are working with you more than most police officers would be.
Right?
I disagree.
Come on.
I
It's time to get out of the
strongly
car.
disagree.
You would be tased by now. All right.
What is that?
Had enough. You're going to go to jail.
Hello.
Radio 3521, check up.
Step out of the
Come
car.
on tight, bro. Yeah.
Step
Pull
out
me
of the car.
Up, bro. Yeah.
Step out of the car. Stop being like
Grab
this.
my other arm, bro. You know, you just made me sit in a hot car.
Oh, that's unfortunate. It's really unfortunate, Addison. You
You're
really need to
fortunate.
grow
You're
up.
fortunate I haven't
You
assaulted
really-
you, bro.
You really
Can I
need
tell
to
you
grow
that?
up.
Can I tell you
You
that?
really need to grow up. Knock it.
Radio 1535,
Yeah.
38, check up.
Eye for an eye, brother?
Oh. Oh, that's nice.
I'm glad. You're fortunate.
Knock it off. Holy cow. This guy. Unbelievable.
Radio 7907, check up.